Hi everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Who's having a great day. I have a Zelda unboxing, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, we're in. Alright, this is my Amiibo. Alright, that is for the new Tears of the Kingdom game. So I'm looking forward to using Link. There is another Amiibo, but they're sold out as well. I was able to find this on eBay, so because they're sold out in Canada, you may want to look on eBay and see if you can find a Amiibo to play with the new Zelda game. So I'm looking forward to using my new Amiibo, so that's pretty cool. Anybody having fun playing the new game? Let me know how you like it. I'm just starting to play it, so I haven't gone too far. I keep getting killed, so hopefully Link will help me out. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Thanks again. Bye.